Understanding assemble, a key word for IELTS success. Imagine you're at a party and someone hands you a box containing 100 puzzle pieces. Your task is to assemble the puzzle. This scenario perfectly illustrates our word for today, assemble. Let's explore this versatile word to boost your IELTS vocabulary. Word type. Assemble is primarily used as a verb, though it can also function as a noun in certain contexts. Meaning, to assemble means to bring together or gather into one place or group. It can also refer to fitting together the parts of something, such as a piece of furniture or a machine. Word history. The word assemble comes from Old French assembler, which itself originates from the Latin assimilare, meaning to gather together or to make similar. It entered the English language in the 13th century. Antonyms. Some antonyms for assemble include disassemble, scatter, disperse, and separate. Synonyms. Synonyms for assemble include gather, collect, congregate, convene, and unite. Examples used in sentences. The manager asked the team to assemble in the conference room for an important meeting. Students were given the task of assembling a model of the solar system for their science project. The factory workers efficiently assemble hundreds of smartphones each day. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing assemble with resemble. While assemble means to bring together, resemble means to look like or be similar to something else. Another error is using assemble when accumulate would be more appropriate. Assemble implies an intentional gathering, while accumulate suggests a gradual increase over time. To wrap up, assemble is a useful word for describing the act of bringing things or people together. Whether you're talking about gathering a group, putting together a piece of furniture, or organizing information for an essay, assemble is a versatile verb that can enhance your IELTS writing and speaking. Remember its various applications and practice using it in different contexts to solidify your understanding and improve your language skills.